It was the turn of the people of Esan West local government area to receive the campaign team of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. The tour is in continuation of the ward-to-ward campaign of the party in Edo Central Senatorial District. Ekpoma is the administrative headquarters of Esan West, and the party standard bearer, Godwin Obaseki, his running mate, Philip Shoaibu, and the entourage were at the palace of the Onoje of Ekpoma, His Royal Highness Anthony Ehizoje Abumere II, to seek royal blessings and prayers.
We are here today, Royal Father, to solicit your blessings and permission to campaign around your domain and the domain of your brother highnesses. It's not unusual when you come on campaigns of this nature for you to at least first state what you have done as a government, and also to let the people know what you expect to do more for them. But let me start by first saying that Ekpoma is very, very important for us in a district.
On behalf of my people of Ekpoma Kingdom, I want to thank you very much for the good work that you are doing in Edo State. All of us are seeing it. In Esan Land, in Esan West, and in Ekpoma. Abusali University has been transformed. We have never had it like that before. I thank God the administrative block is one of the best in this country. Very intelligent region, a very beautiful one. And also, I want you to know that my people are happy with you. Very happy with you.
Governor Obaseki was conferred with the chieftaincy title of Amenya of Ekpoma, while his deputy Philip Shoaibu was decorated as Ofure of Ekpoma. Esan West is in Edo Central Senatorial District, and it is instructive to remark that the word-to-word campaign here was a huge success.
PDP! Power to Ward 1! Power to the women! Power to the youth! 3 votes of our deputy governor. Ward 1. Now we take start for Esan West today. We not come campaign for here because this now PDP town. Not be so. So not be campaign we can't do. I can't greet you now. And to tell you now say, to whom much is given, much is expected. As soon as don't decide, say we go vote PDP September 19. Make sure you come out. I know say when they vote before. But this time, make it different. Because if una come out, plenty, una come vote. Una not say, not be only me, they take my decisions. People go there around the party. We go say, see what you would want to do. It's not good. If Ward 1 do well, why not compensate them? That is why this election is important. Help me to help you. Come out in large numbers. Come and vote PDP and leave the rest to me. PDP! PDP! Edo must move! Edo must move! This election is about...
It is also noticeable that the people of the various communities were ecstatic with the presence of the governor, and some of them made it very clear that Godwin Obaseki has earned their support and the people will vote massively for him.
It has been quite impressive. You can tell everywhere they look at the crowd, they speak for themselves. So I think all we have to do is to be calm, campaign. It has to be campaign about agenda, what you want to do for the society, what you want to do for the state. Not when people come around and start saying they want to fight, they are going about with talks, that's not going to win you any election.
I haven't sampled opinion from my people in Ujota yet. 99.9% of them, they are refusing. And like the last time we visited the government house, I used a particular word. I said, I'm not the kind of traditional ruler that stands with Agada. If Your Excellency will remember, when we say a thing, we go ahead to doing that same thing. So on behalf of the people of Ujaba Kingdom, because of the good works you have been doing, at least it is only wise and okay for us to re-elect you back to that government house. Traditional rulers do not play politics, but when we see something that is good, it's better for us to say the truth out. I am saying today that Ujaba is for you, our Excellency. And we assure you of our vote.
I am very glad that you have sampled the opinion of the people and you know where they stand on this matter. I believe that for me, for us in government, the only way to show appreciation is to continue to do that thing or those things for which your people have acknowledged us for. I know that we could have done more, and I want to assure you, Highness, that we will do more.
Now better don't know where they try. We will vote on again and again. Oh.
This election is about whether we want to move forward or we want to go backwards. And by the grace of God, we cannot go backwards. We have to continue to build on what we have. Ujaba is a viable community. I know because of the problem with Ekoma Road, all these heavy trailer come pass here, they come spoil our road. Not be so, una leave am for me. I don't award the contract, you go finish that.
We
Chairman of the Edo State PDP Campaign Council, Dan Obi, mounted the soapbox and remarked that Governor Obaseki's people-oriented projects were enough to earn him a re-election without any hesitation.
Let me say that one of the reasons why you see a lot of people coming out to support the governor is because of his good work. Let me also say, coming to Ekpoma, we must remember the role the late Professor Ambrose Ali played in the education of our state. The governor has taken after Professor Ambrose Ali. He has embarked on projects in the educational sector. And to the glory of God, our governor is one governor who has shown that building a new university is not enough to neglect existing institutions. That is why today, before he will leave Ekpoma, he will be commissioning projects in Ambrose Ali University. There is no other governor since the time of Ambrose Ali who has decided to support our people in the drive to improve education in Edo State. It is in the same line that is working seriously at Igwebe College of Education. He is building technical colleges so that we can have students who can work on their own without seeking employment elsewhere. All these things are the reasons why we say he's the one that can move Edo forward. I've come here today with a governor that has a fair knowledge of the problems of Edo State. He's been there, he has seen it all, and he has the solutions. All we are asking you to do, support and vote him, re-elect him to continue the good work.
Move forward. Move forward. I will never. Yo, yo, yo. No comfortability. Move forward. I will never. Yo, yo, yo. Forward ever. I will never. Obaseki na the man. We know. Forward ever. I will never. Yaibu self na the man.
The campaign team went round the 10 wards in Esan West with one simple request: vote for Godwin Obaseki of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, for the continuation of the transformation of Edo State.
A governorship candidate in this election, Comrade Idausa Godwin, is here today to withdraw and support the governorship candidate of our great party. He would like to say a word or two to let you know that from today, he starts supporting Governor Godwin Obaseki.
By God's grace, I cannot fight my people. When rain is fighting you outside, you run back home. So I love the good work our governor is doing in those states, Governor Obaseki. He's a great man. And there's a word I want to say here, that even the earth, the moon, will collaborate and conspire, cooperate to work for his favor in this 2020 election. So I have more than 100 people here. We are here. So we all come to PDP today. PDP! Power to the people! Come on!
We have already said it, that we are not going to campaign to the governor today. All we want to tell him is thank you. Oh, you don't know? We have just come here to tell him thank you. Your Excellency, Ward 10 and Ward 4 are here. There is something unique about Ward 4. It is the largest ward in the whole of Esan. We have about 22,000 registered voters, and that vote is for you. Thank you for what you have done to Ali. The reason why we say it is either Obaseki or no other person. You don't know what to say? You don't know what to say?
We are going to see 99.999 votes. It has always been traditionally PDP zone. The few that were not there before have joined us. So we're almost having 100%. Because when you pray a prayer of peace, not everybody that will say amen. That's why I'm saying 99.9. Otherwise, we're sure of 100% vote.
Carrego, Obaseki, Carrego, Obaseki, Carrego, of the greatest Nigeria student, greater Baba, greater Bibi, greatest of the greatest of the greatest of the greatest. All right, we have to prepare them. We must prepare them. PDP! Ward 3, PDP! Power to Ward 3! Power to Ward 7! Thank you. Ward 3, Ward 7, thank you. When I said I cannot campaign here,
Okay. Make a calendar. Make a calendar. Are we ready to vote for Godwin Obaseki? Do we have options? Who are we going to vote for? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. By God, we don't have options. This word is purely for PDP. It's not PDP word. And we're not going to win overwhelmingly on that day. The people you are seeing now are all voters. We don't have rented crowd. You can see them. On that day, we are going to return 99.99